just missed
Speak
the
up.
waterfall. Welcome to the vlog. You just missed the waterfall because we got pushed away. It's fine. It's fine. Hello and welcome to this week's vlog from my Trip to Australia series. This is Michelle from the future who is narrating this beautiful video. So in this video you will be seeing me traveling from Brisbane to Cairns. This was originally going to be one long video of the whole week in Cairns, but we actually did so much that I thought it would be more interesting if I just divided it up. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. The flight was about 4 hours, but the view outside the window was absolutely stunning that it felt so quick. You can definitely see the difference in airports compared to the previous ones. It's definitely much more touristy, so I found it quite funny to see the difference. Once we landed in Cairns, there wasn't much we did that day, so we just ventured off to our hotel and on to the next day. So the next day, we went on a trip up these cable cars, up the mountain to Kuranda. So we basically just went over this rainforesty kind of situation, but it was so beautiful, the view the whole way, and it was such a long line of cable cars, like it was a really far stretch. So here's a montage of that. And in between you could get off, and there were these little like forest patches that you could like walk through. There was a boardwalk, and these trees are absolutely massive. It was like something from Jurassic Park.
Jumps off the edge.
And on to the next stop, we found this beautiful waterfall. It was absolutely stunning. And this is in their dry season, so I can just imagine what this waterfall must look like in their rainy season. It must be magnificent.
Welcome to the vlog. We are walking in the forest currently. It's very high. Something has bitten me in places that I shall not mention.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Okay. I don't know if I want to stand on there, to be quite honest.
I want to stand on there.
Okay. I think this will make it cool.
Welcome!
This is a bit of a fuck
We were
up.
just launched into the air by the lovely police system that is living its best life with... Oh, I should sit more to the middle. Look at the stunning view, wow. And we found ourselves in a cart by ourselves. Well done, Dan, well done. Such a professional, yes.
I know how to time it right.
He timed it right, he did.
How to time it right.
And yeah, we're just looking into the horizon.
The rainforests.
Yes, a little tranquil, zen, you know. Just turning into self-remembering there he is. Let's see. It's gonna feed on
The vlog.
the vlog.
I should have brought the sticky thing. It's in the. I'm sure it's in the bag.
Big.
Yeah.
Sure.
I wonder how many crocs are in here.
A shitload. You can come down with Crocs.
No, thank you. So we finally got to our destination, and then we decided to have a little drink at the pub, which was very refreshing because for the first time in this whole Australia trip we had really hot weather. It was like 30 degrees, so we were sweating. And then we just went to go look at the little shopping stalls along the road. And there was one of these candy shops that they make that candy cane kind of candy, so that was really fun to look at.
Don't video me.
Lunch. Why not? I saw a comment on your latest Facebook post that you need to be featured more in the videos. And after our little snack for the day, we went to this butterfly sanctuary, I guess you could call it. And there were the most beautiful little butterflies flapping around there. There were so many. It was so cool to see. And some of them move so fast that you literally cannot capture them on camera. So my dad got slow-mo videos. So yeah, here's a montage of the butterflies.
Bloody turkey.
And then for our trip down the mountain, we took the railway, which has been running for a very long time. I don't know the exact facts, but I could make a video on that at some point. But yeah, it was just a really scenic view all the way down, and it is such a long train. I don't know how many carts, but you'll see later. It's such a long train. and we ended up driving past the other side of the waterfall that we saw on the cable cars. That was really magnificent to see once again. And the train ride in total took about 2 hours. But yeah, it was so beautiful all the way down. I never once was bored. It was really a great experience, and I would definitely recommend doing it if you are in Cairns. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to stay tuned for the last few of the Australia vlog series. I'm so sad it's coming to an end very soon, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe and like to stay tuned for more exciting videos in the future.